Hello everybody, today we have some Fortnite toys, and we have special guests since it's Mother's Day. My mom.
Yours truly.
And today we are going to be unboxing Triggerfish and Sludge. You want to unbox this one? You unbox this one, I'll unbox this one.
At the same time?
Alright, 1 second. 3, 2, 1.
You're obviously way better at this than I am. Let's our trash in our bag here.
Okay, so,
Put his little hammer in his hand.
just the sludge hammer.
Maybe.
Yeah.
No.
Alright, so Triggerfish comes with the, this pickaxe. I have this pickaxe, but I forgot the name of it. He has he has where you can put a back bling into him, and he has some cool designs on him.
And Sludge here comes with this hammer, and he moves and bends all the ways and does all the things. Arms go up and down. Got some cool little vest here on him. I'll let Cameron explain it because it's a little bit better.
Okay,
than I am.
so Sludge in Fortnite is made out of like a blob of Jello, is what I like to call it. He has this where you can put a back bling on him. He has the Sludge pickaxe. He has like he was a style of Slurpee when chapter 2 season 1 was around. He took place in the, I forgot what it's called. It's like that symbol right there on his leg. It's on both legs. He was he was like a main villain. Kind of like Midas was the main villain in Chapter 2, Season 2. I've done other unboxing videos and stuff like that. These are the Triggerfish and Sludge. I just rocked them. Bye.
Happy Mother's Day to all the moms out there.